Ready to transform your makeup artistry into a captivating online experience that attracts clients and screams professional? Let's dive into crafting a website that not only showcases your talent but also functions as a powerful tool to grow your business. First, secure a domain name that's easy to remember and reflects your brand. Think along the lines of your name imacom.com or StudioGlamCom. Next, choose a website builder that suits your skill level, with options like Wix, Squarespace, or WordPress offering user-friendly interfaces and stunning templates perfect for showcasing your artistry. Focus on a clean, modern design that puts your work front and center. Now for the star of the show, your portfolio. Upload high-quality photos of your best work, organized by category, like bridal, editorial, or special effects. Include detailed descriptions of each look, highlighting the products used and the client. Make booking a breeze by integrating an online booking system like Acuity Scheduling or Calendly directly into your website. This allows clients to easily schedule appointments, see your availability, and even pay online. Finally, boost your visibility with SEO. Research relevant keywords like makeup artist near me, wedding makeup, and special effects makeup, and strategically incorporate them into your website content, page titles, and image descriptions. And that's it. Remember to make your website responsive for viewing on all devices, and keep updating it with your latest work. A great website will help showcase your brand and attract new customers. Good luck.